For me lang ah. Chill. Dead bounce. You ready? Saloy sa das na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the choke. Okay. Hit the guards. Keep clearing the guards. Ayun, sa may choke. Sa may gate. Dalo. Hold. Dev.
Namatay si 70 sa harap.
Hold down. You ready? Hold. You ready? Dev.
From your east.
Hold. Yo, chill bro. I'm alive bro. Chill. Bobo ang puta. Sila nga yung hit sa southeast. Come notice nga.
Guard niya yung sinasabihan niya, Zor.
Hindi, sinabihan niya rin. No? Come notice. You ready? Look shallow inside us now. On the 7 miss. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the 7 miss. Chill. Hold lang. Hold. Come southwest by the road. Away from the walls. Kill. You go inside. Careful.
Northeast, be careful ah.
Do. You ready? Deep northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, deep northwest now. Hit deep northwest. Come back. Tangina na ba't walang yung damage yun?
Careful from northeast.
Careful. Dito kayo sa hanapin niyo ako.
Northwest nyo.
Soldier head na.
Ayun, nasa gate sila. Northwest.
Chill.
Nag-engage sila.
Do. Hold on, everyone in shop. Hit the gate again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the gate now. Hit the gate. Oh, nice hit. Come back na. Yeah, bomb squad on northwest ha. Careful. Come southwest. Kill niya to inside us oh. Careful. Kill this guy. Chill. Hold. Dito nga kayo sa bandang side. Hanapin niyo. Wala pala yung pang mark ko. Kiss doubles on the guards. Dito na, kill the guards. Ingat over the wall.
Bam.
Ready. Northwest over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2. Pero sabi nito, sino namamatay?
Tank niya.
Danera namatay. Come south.
Goods pa kayo, Zoro?
Goods pa. Come south. For army ito. Come south, come east. Ano? Gulo naman na yun. Come north ka salit. Away from the walls guys. Over the wall. Pumatay kayo dyan. Bahala kayo. Bilisan ng purge. Cleric northeast on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on the gate na. Hit. Come back. We chill. Okay, wait. Wait, chill. Chill. Hanapin niyo ako, safe tayo dito sa over the wall. Chill lang. There. You ready? Northeast, shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit the jug. Hit the jug. Kill that guy. Oh my god. Execute, wala. Come back. Dito, come south. Nasa north sila. Yeah, bomb squad dito. Walk. Walk. Ready, defense sa gate, ha. Walk. Ready. Deep northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northeast now, then hit. Dev now over the wall, ha. Yo, come back. Ingat over the wall. Ready your pots. Come southwest. Down the choke. Never mind. Come south. Up the hill again. Come south. Kill the guards. Kill the guards. Focus the guards.
Bomb from north.
Yeah. Come south, guys. Look for me south. Para safe kayo sa ano.
Bomb from north.
Clearing the guards. Keep clearing the guards. Focus the guards. Keep killing the guards. Engage on the guards in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage the guards. Patay niyo lahat ng guards. Ito yung may isa guards. Mamamatay yan. Tinan mo. Ingat over the wall, ha. Careful.
Watching.
Walk. Careful, ha. Ready clerics, ha. Careful. You ready. Wait. Hold. Look. Wait. Chill. Come back. Be southwest. Everything sadas now. So may ditang sa atin. Sadas now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the tanks. Yo, Dev.
Stop namin.
Dev. Pinag sabi nito. Yo, bro, we good. No one's dying on us, bro. Dev. Si Marco yung namatay. Napin lang. Akala niya tayo namamatay? Puta na nito. Abnormal lang puta.
Bombs na akin, ha.
Patay sa atin.
Replay bomb squad.
Chill, bomb squad, ha. Oy, diba? Puta kayo na yun. Kayo yan, eh. You ready? Look. Yo, Dev. Yo, over the wall. Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mabilis lang. Northeast over the wall. Come back.
Ubus na mana ko, fuck.
Mag-chariot tayo, ah.
Spam ka lang man, say chat man.
Asa ka, Zorox?
Kill nyo nga itong mga guards. Ingat over the wall northeast, ha. Kill nyo itong marcher sa south. Sakit yan. Tama.
Sobrang dami natin, di ako nakikita kumahan.
Come southwest. Kayo namamatay, baliw. Promise. Paper boots, mount up.